In Onshape, the Boolean command has a lot of uses, and in this video, we'll take a look at one of them, consolidating a bunch of imported parts in a part studio into a single part. So here I am looking at my different folders. I'm going to go to one of my folders to create a brand new document. I want to import some electronics, so I will call it electronics. Then I will create my document. And now to bring in my file, I will go to the plus sign and then choose the import command. And I will grab a step file from my folder. Let's click the open button. And here we get the import to Onshape dialog box. If you have a professional version, you'll probably have a third choice in here, but I have two choices: import to this document or combine to a single part studio. Let's try the import to this document option first. I think this comes from SolidWorks, so I'm going to orient imported models with y-axis up. And let's try the option to create a composite part when importing multiple or non-solid bodies. Now I will click the import button and let's let this work. So it has imported, and I have got a bunch of tabs in here, made multiple different tabs, and it's kind of a little bit messy in here, but this is one of the assemblies that was created, and you can see the different instances that are located in here. So I didn't exactly get one single part out of this. And I'm not crazy about all the other different tabs that I got with this. So let's go back and try again. I'm going to go back to my documents and let me use the trash can to get rid of the first one that I tried. Let's create another document, and if at first you don't succeed, try again. I will use the same document name. All right, so let's give it a shot. I will click on the plus sign and then import once again. Let's grab the same step file and I will choose open. This time I will combine to a single part studio. Let's orient imported models with y-axis up. And I don't have that composite option, so I will just click on the import button. Oops, let's try that again. Let's import it. Okay, there we go. This time it is working. All right, so it is complete. Let me go to one of the tabs that was generated, and let me hit the P key to turn off the display of the planes. So I do have a single individual part studio. There are 21 different parts that are located in here, but again, I just want a single part in my part studio. I'm never going to work with these individual components on their own. So one way that we can solve this is with the Boolean command. This one is the Boolean. When I click on this, we are going to get the option of either doing a union, a subtraction, or an intersect. Well, I want to do a union. I want to grab all these different objects and make them into one single part. And rather than picking them individually out of the tree or out of the screen, I'm just going to swipe a box over all of them. And we see that they are all selected in here. There is an option to keep the tools, but I don't want to keep them. I just want everything as one big giant part. Let me hit the check mark. And now we have one part. I'm going to right click on it and choose rename and call this Arduino because that is what it is. Now, one of the parts did change colors, so I could go back and change colors if I want to, but this is what I want. I imported all of these different objects into a single part studio as a single part. So now I could use this in assemblies or however which way that I want to. But the important thing is that is one way of using the Boolean command to create a single part from multiple parts.